Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can animate in Canva. So let's get started. You can see I have a presentation over here and I wish to animate it. So what you're going to do is simply select all of this text, click on animate, and then you can add something like pan, and then you can select your duration, whether you want the pan to appear on enter, on exit, or both. You can also choose the direction of the pan. I'll let it be from left to right, and then you're gonna go to the second slide. Make sure to select all of this, go to animate again, and let's go with rise for this one. And then you're gonna go to the third slide, select all of this again, go to animate, and let's go with fade. Now let's check these out by clicking on present over here. And now you can see when I press next, and now you can see the pan animation occurred. And now for the next one we have is rise, and after that we have the simple fade animation. And that was basically how you can add animations in Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.